guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you a very quick and yummy chaach recipe. Yes guys, it is a bit unique because it is not the usual chaach. It is the smoked chaach recipe. So the first time I thought of this concept, I was wondering if at all this is gonna work or not, and if at all the flavor of smokiness will go well along with chaach. So I had to try my hands on it, and when I tried it, I absolutely loved it. The flavor of smokiness went so well along with the chaach, and I would highly recommend you to try this recipe at home, and I'm sure you're gonna thank me later. So if you wanna know how I prepared this 2-minute smoked chaach recipe at home, then please keep on watching the video.
Take about 1 cup of curd in a grinder. Add about 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of regular salt, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, some freshly chopped coriander leaves, few fresh mint leaves, and about 3/4 cup of water. Cover this with a lid and give it a nice mix using a hand blender or a mixer. After blending, it should look something like this. Then place a bowl with hot coal inside it over the chaach. I am topping this coal with some hing, jeera powder and 1 teaspoon of ghee, and cover this with lid immediately. You need to be very quick with this step. Uncover the lid after about 5 to 10 minutes and remove the bowl. Serve this flavorful smoked chaach and enjoy.
So guys, I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do let me know in the comments down below if you'd want me to share more recipes with you guys, and I would love to do that. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.